Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a login page into our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website, and in order to do that, let's just go to the pages and menu and make sure you have your members area turned on. So my members area is already turned on, so that's why I have these options right here. We have the account settings, and then we have the my orders page. But focusing on the login page, we will need to click on sign up and login, and then we will click on the member login form. And then once we want to add our login page, we will change the default form onto the custom form, and then we will click add to site. And then once we're done, we can now see our login page is now added into our website. So if you want to edit some more design right here, let's just double click it. You can change the text around, you can move it around, you can change the font style if you want, you can change the type if you want the login page to be a number, you can do so as well. If you want it to be a password, text, an email or URL, and so on and so forth. You just need to explore the different settings that this has. For example, you want to change the title. For example, you want the type to be a number, and then we will change the title into a number, and then that will reflect into our website. And the placeholder text will change it onto number as well. Then that's it. If you want to have different options, you can just explore the different design edits right here. Just go to settings, and then you can also click on design. If you want to change the look of your text box, you can do so as well. For example, I'll choose this one, and then it already automatically reflected into our website. So it just depends on your preference. You just need to play around with the different features that Wix Studio has in order to create your own design of your login page in Wix website. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching this video.